2017 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, tow hitch, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, power windows, electronic stability control, compass, trip computer, fog lamps, HD radio, Sirius satellite radio, overhead console, panic alarm, tachometer, brake assist, remote keyless entry, tilt steering wheel. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.